The 2026 Porsche 912 makes a triumphant and unexpected return, reviving a nameplate that holds deep historical significance in Porsche's legacy. Originally launched in the 1960s as a more accessible sibling to the iconic 911, the 912 earned a reputation for delivering a pure driving experience, combining Porsche's design ethos with lightweight agility and balanced performance. For 2026, Porsche reimagines the 912 not as a budget alternative but as a focused, modern-day sports car that honors the original's philosophy while embracing contemporary technology and performance standards. From a design perspective, the new 912 is unmistakably Porsche, but distinct in its own right. It shares the same fundamental silhouette as the 911, with the familiar sloping roofline and wide rear haunches, yet it carries sharper creases, a slightly shorter wheelbase, and a more compact overall stance. It's built on a modified version of the Porsche modular sports car platform, which it shares with the Cayman and Boxster, but with bespoke tuning and structural enhancements to reduce weight and improve driving dynamics. At just under 3,000 pounds, the 2026 912 is one of the lightest cars in Porsche's modern lineup. Staying true to its roots. Under the hood, the new 912 breaks from Porsche tradition by using a high-revving 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine, a bold move in an era dominated by turbocharging and electrification, producing around 300 horsepower and 260 pounds-ft of torque. This engine emphasizes linear power delivery and throttle response rather than outright numbers. Enthusiasts will appreciate the availability of a 6-speed manual transmission, though a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic is also offered. Power is sent to the rear wheels exclusively, ensuring a traditional Porsche driving feel. The 060 mph sprint is achieved in around 4.5 seconds, with a top speed approaching 170 mph. Handling is where the 912 truly shines. With a mid-engine layout and finely tuned suspension, the car offers superb balance and communicative steering. Porsche has deliberately kept driver aids to a minimum, making the driving experience raw and immersive. Adaptive dampers and a mechanical, limited slip differential come standard, while options include lightweight carbon ceramic brakes and a sport chassis package. Whether carving through mountain roads or attacking a racetrack, the 912 feels poised, responsive, and deeply engaging. Inside the cabin, the 912 embraces minimalism with a focus on driver engagement. The interior design draws inspiration from classic Porsche models with a clean dashboard layout, analog-style gauges, and a small diameter steering wheel. Materials are a mix of leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum, providing a blend of heritage and modern refinement. A compact infotainment system is embedded seamlessly, offering essential connectivity features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, but it's intentionally subtle to keep distractions at bay. In terms of practicality, the 912 remains a two-seater sports car, but with front and rear cargo compartments offering decent space for weekend trips. Porsche has also ensured that despite its focus on purity, the car meets modern safety and emissions standards without compromising the lightweight ethos. Perhaps most notably, the 2026 Porsche 912 is a statement. It's not chasing EV trends or trying to outgun its siblings in raw performance metrics. Instead, it's about rediscovering the joy of driving in its purest form. By offering a modern interpretation of an analog sports car, Porsche has created a vehicle that stands apart in today's crowded market of tech-heavy, overpowered machines. For enthusiasts who value connection, character, and control, the 202 6912 is more than a revival, it's a revelation.